address this august gathering of retired professionals. I owe a lot, we owe a lot to this force. I don't know why this idea inspires that you are being scapegoated for every ill in this country, particularly when it comes to the curbing of crime and terrorism. Well, that is not the case, let me assure you. If I have to refer to the sacrifices of KP police, Balochistan police particularly, and some remarkable work of Sindh and Punjab police too, let me confide here that I wish Sifat Ghayur would have been alive. He would have been my leader. I would have been his soldier. If a force has a role model like Sifat, is it poor? It's too rich. I hardly see an iconic figure like Sifat anywhere in any institution of this country. Yes, there are challenges. There are challenges, and let me share the challenges which I feel that during this small stint of mine, I've been approached by two former martyred families to the rank of DIGs, where they have not been treated according to what they deserve. So this is the kind of comradeship, this is the kind of institutional arrangement we have and we have towards those families. One widow was asked to leave her property in which she was residing and was entitled to be there till the retirement of that date of that martyr officer. And I was not just pained but surprised that how a fellow colleague, maybe senior or junior, could even dare in terms of morality to ask a family to leave that property. Well, I had to do what I had to do, but I'm just reflecting that if this is happening to the family of a former DIG rank officers, think about the Sipahi Shabana who got martyred in Swat. Who knows where the husband and children of Shabana are? Even we know the name of Shabana. And how many Shabanas are there? It's just a count for us. 1, 2, 10,000, 2,000, I don't know. I honestly don't know. Counterterrorism, organized crime, I have always believed there are two noble professions who have been underinvested and mistreated in this country in particular, and that is nursing and police. And I've been constantly advocating this, that we need to rebrand them. And when we need to rebrand them, we want to put resource in that. First of all, we need to infuse confidence in them. First, we need to tell them who they are. The material resource would follow that. That reputation, that brand is more important. It is of utmost importance. That self-esteem, which is associated with doing any sort of work, any sort of job. The emotional and psychic part of the human being who gets invested in any profession. I should be loving my work and my job, whatever I do. I might be a sanitation worker, cleaning bathrooms, but I should do it with joy and commitment. And to me, the police force are the divine sanitation force who cleanse the dirt of society, the filth of society. They are the chosen one. They are one of the most noble one. They are the one who protects your children from any ill-intended harm who roams around in the streets and the circles of the society. How can they be mistreated and disrespected? Then there is another side of the story. And I don't want to embarrass anyone over here. We need to do a soul searching, yes, all of us. Can senior rank people become partners in human trafficking with the criminal gangs? So what sort of contribution it would bring to the larger image of the